Today, I'm going to show you one of the most exciting Chinese stir-fry dishes, Xiao Chao Rou. But here's the interesting part. We are going to cook the peppers before adding any oil. Yes, you heard that right. A completely dry, hot wok. This pressing motion helps the peppers contact the hottest part of the wok. In Western cooking, this may sound unusual, but this simple technique creates an incredible smoky flavor. The salt is not only seasoning, it helps draw out moisture from the peppers. The wok is creating a beautiful roasted aroma. This pressing motion helps the peppers contact the hottest part of the wok. Look at this color, bright green with little smoky edges. That is exactly what we want. Now we introduce a small amount of oil to carry the aroma. Because this small step is what separates an ordinary stir-fry from a restaurant-quality dish. These peppers are the first layer of flavor. We are not just cooking them, we are transforming them. The wok is creating a beautiful roasted aroma. But don't go anywhere, because the real stir-fry is about to begin. We are removing excess moisture and concentrating the natural sweetness. Temperature control is everything in Chinese stir-frying. This is pork lard. It gives the dish a deeper traditional flavor. Chinese stir-frying is all about controlling heat. We are not slowly cooking this meat. We are giving it a quick, powerful blast of heat. The pork has already been prepared with soy sauce and starch. The starch protects the meat and keeps it tender. That sound is what we are looking for. High heat, quick cooking. We are not boiling the pork, we are giving it a quick sear. Notice how the pork moves around the wok. Every piece needs contact with the hot surface so it cooks evenly. The starch creates a very thin protective layer, helping the meat stay tender and juicy instead of becoming dry. Perfect. We are taking the pork out for now because we want to build the sauce and aroma separately before bringing everything together. This is where the kitchen starts smelling amazing. Into the same wok, we add ginger, garlic, and green onion. These three ingredients are simple. This ingredient is called white fungus. When cooked, it has a unique, crunchy, slightly jelly-like texture. Soy sauce brings saltiness, color, and deep umami flavor. White fungus, also called snow fungus, is commonly found dried in Asian supermarkets. Now the smoky peppers come back. Keep everything moving. The goal is to let every piece of white fungus coat itself with the flavors already built in this wok. This is the final reunion. Every ingredient now has its own personality. Smoky peppers, tender pork, fresh aromatics. The secret of Chinese stir-frying is timing. Each ingredient is cooked separately because every ingredient needs a different treatment. Now we add soy sauce. This gives the dish deeper color, saltiness, and a rich umami taste. Next, a little salt to balance the flavors. Then chicken bouillon, which adds another layer of savory depth. And finally, black pepper for a gentle warmth and aroma. Seasoning should enhance the ingredients, not hide them. Look at this! Beautiful color, smoky aroma, tender pork, and a little kick from the peppers. This is Xiao Chao Rou, a simple Chinese home-style dish with incredible depth. The magic is not complicated ingredients. The magic is understanding heat, timing, and technique. Try this at home and let me know what ingredient you would add your own twist to. Welcome to the world of Chinese cooking.